Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Ford Puma SUV Concept captivates with its futuristic allure. A masterpiece of innovation wrapped in sophistication. This SUV embodies modern automotive artistry, delivering a harmonious blend of dynamic design, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort. Exterior design. Step by step, the Puma flaunts a bold front grille accentuated by sleek LED headlights that resemble a predator's gaze. Its aerodynamic silhouette flows seamlessly into muscular wheel arches housing striking alloy wheels, while the rear showcases sculpted taillights and a sporty spoiler. Pros: stunning aesthetics, excellent aerodynamics. Cons: slightly limited customization options. Interior and dashboard design. Inside, the cabin greets you with premium materials and ergonomic seating. The dashboard is a tech haven, featuring a seamless digital display and intuitive controls. The leather-wrapped steering wheel and ambient lighting enhance the luxurious atmosphere. Pros: spacious, high-quality finishes, advanced tech. Cons: could use more physical controls for easier accessibility. Performance. The 2025 Puma is powered by a hybrid engine, delivering an exhilarating 220 horsepower. Its adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride, whether cruising city streets or tackling rugged terrain. The electric folding mirrors and parking assist system add a layer of convenience. Pros: impressive acceleration, fuel efficiency, versatile drive modes. Cons: limited towing capacity. Practical features. The Puma includes essentials like a jack, spare tire, and an extended warranty. Activities like unauthorized modifications can void the warranty. Price and competitors. Priced competitively, it appeals to buyers aged 30 to 50, rivaling models like the Nissan Juke and Kia Sportage. Its maximum speed of 130 miles per hour offers a thrilling experience. Verdict: the Puma's perfect balance of style, tech, and performance makes it ideal for families and adventurers alike. Compared to earlier models, it's a leap forward in innovation and comfort.